In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Cloudflare tunnel for local N8N step by step. First, go to the Cloudflare website and log into your account. After logging in, go to the main dashboard. On the left sidebar, look for the Zero Trust option. Now go to Networks and click Tunnels. Click Create Tunnel. Enter a name for your tunnel. Now choose your computer operating system. Cloudflare will provide the cloudflared installation command. Copy the command and run it in your terminal or CMD. After that, configure your local N8N address. N8N usually runs on localhost using port 5678. Add the address .http localhost 5678 during the setup. Finish the configuration and save the settings. Cloudflare will generate a public URL. This link allows you to securely access your local N8N from the internet.